This channel should be getting views. It isn't. And it's not because of the content. The creator is doing a lot of things right here. The cooking looks good, his pacing is solid, but the channel's just not growing. And the issue, again, not the content. It's how his channel is being understood. So this is a recipe channel that's focused on making global dishes. He's got Caribbean, Indian, Pakistani, different cuisines. All the videos themselves are solid. He's got good pacing, the process is clear, and he has an engaging personality. If someone clicks on the videos, this absolutely works. I don't have access to his analytics, so I'm breaking this down based on what the channel is signaling without them. I look at things like, what does this look like before I click? Would I click this? And once I click, am I satisfied with what's there? And do I want more when I get done? When I do that, the issue shows up pretty quickly for me. Thumbnails look clean, they're consistent, they're usually showing the finished dish, and that's good. But they mostly just describe the video. They don't give much reason to click. In food content, especially recipes, that's pretty tough, because everyone's showing what their finished dish looks like. Nothing here really separates from any other recipe video. But this really isn't a thumbnail problem, it's a positioning problem. Right now, this channel is doing a mixture of different cuisines: Caribbean, Indian, Pakistani, general, global. There's a strength in terms of his cooking skill. I would absolutely love to sit down in his kitchen and eat any of this food. But from YouTube's perspective, it creates a lot of mixed signals. YouTube, the system, is always trying to answer, who is this for and when should I show it? Right now, the signal looks like this, oh no wait, this, and this. And so it's harder for the system and for his viewers to lock in. It's not that this approach is wrong, it's just harder to grow this way. When everything is for everyone, it becomes hard to become the go-to for anyone. And this is where it's a bit of a missed opportunity, because the content itself is pretty strong. His pacing works, personality is there, he's even got a couple of really good performing videos from the past. So I know that if people click, they'll likely stay. The issue is getting them to click consistently. So this really isn't a content problem. It's a positioning problem. If I were working on this channel, the first thing I would test is narrowing the focus. Pick one lane for the next 10 to 20 videos. Narrow it down to just Caribbean home cooking, or Indian Pakistani home cooking, or fast weeknight global meals. You don't have to do it forever, just long enough for YouTube to understand you. The second thing I would do is build on top of what's already working. You're already showing the finished dish clearly, and that's good. Now it's about making that instantly readable and a bit more distinct from all the other people making these recipes. The third thing is consistency. After a long gap, you're basically reintroducing the channel. I want you to think about it this way. You've now got a contract for a cooking show. On this season of Chef Redacted, we're making Caribbean home cooking. Today's episode is Jamaican beef patties. If you treat these nodes like they're seasons on your show, it'll get YouTube to recognize your audience faster. If you feel like your channel feels like it should be working but isn't, I have one thing that you can easily check. When you look at your channel page, think, would someone know exactly what I do here after seeing 5 thumbnails? If they wouldn't know, YouTube probably doesn't either. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it useful, please subscribe. I'll be doing more of these as well as case studies from my own channels. My recommendation for this channel isn't just theoretical. I tested it on my own channel. By accident. One video, outside of my usual niche, way underperformed. The very next one, back in my lane, performed normally. It was the same channel, 2 days apart, just a completely different signal for YouTube. In the next video, I'll walk through the case study. Thank you for watching.